and we are looking for x as usual. So we are going to apply some basic laws of indices to help us to demystify the solution to this exponential equation. Alright, so to do that, we are going to use the first law of indices, which states that if you have a to the power of x, equally this can be expressed as a to the power of what, x divided by what, a to the power of y, because in division you subtract the powers when the bases are the same. So let's apply this law in this place and see what we are going to have. So we are going to have 3 to the power of 5x divided by 3 to the power of 4, because if I subtract the same base, I divide the same base, I need to subtract the powers. So this is just like saying plus 3 to the power of 5x, call this over 1, all this is equal to 82. Now since the numerator are the same, we can equally factor out 3 to the power of 5x because the numerator are the same. Otherwise, you can equally equate this to this. But this is what we are going to do. Can we say, okay, there are two ways to solve this. First, when you realize that your numerator are the same, you equate this to this and equate. You just say this is 3 to the power of 4 plus 1 equal to 82. Alright. So, but we are looking for the value of x. You cannot just do that. So let's factor out 3 to the power of 5x. So we are going to have 3 to the power of 5x multiplied by, we are going to have 1 over 3 to the power of 4 plus 1 over 1. Okay, this is equal to 82, because if you multiply this by this, you are getting this. If you multiply this by this, you are getting the whole of this. Alright, so this is what we are going to do. 3 to the power of 4 will give you 81, right? So we are going to have 3 to the power of 5x multiplied by 1 over 81 plus 1 over 1. All this is equal to 82. Now, since the denominator is 81 here and 1 here, so the LCM here is 81, because 81 times 1 will give you 81. So you are going to have 3 to the power of 5x, alright, multiplied by, you draw a line, since the LCM is 81, so 81 divided by 81 will give you 1. 1 times 1 is what? Is 1. Plus 81 divided by 1 is 81. 81 times plus times 81 give you 81. All this is equal to what? 82. Now let's add this. 1 plus 81 will give you 82. So we are going to have 3 to the power of